Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to start out with Turtle library. So these are again something that we don't actually use but are just fun to play. I just wanted to show you how useful and how much variations are there in packages. What are the capabilities of packages? So I just wanted to use some of them. So Turtle is again one of the things that is something interesting and you might like it. So when I was a kid, I used to learn Logo, a programming language that involved a turtle and you could move around the screen with just a few commands. I remember feeling like a computer genius when I was that small, and as I controlled this little object on my screen, and this was what got me interested in programming in the first place. The Python turtle library comes with a similar interactive feature that gives you new programmers a taste of what it's like to work out with Python. So Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that you use for drawing is called the Turtle, and this is what gives the library its name. In short, the Python Turtle library helps new programmers get a feel of for what programming with Python is like in a fun and interactive way. Again, you don't use this. I have not seen in my uh, career life, whatever scenes I have, whatever companies I have worked out, and every place I have gone through, I have never seen anybody to work out in Turtle, to be very much fair. But again, this is something you should be knowing because just to know how powerful Python is. So we are not going to discuss much deeper into Turtle. That is, we are not going to learn the syntax, how, what is everything. I just wanted to show you some interacting plots, and again, you can get out the notes and play around with them itself. So in short, I will just tell you that we are importing Turtle from here. You can see, and then we are creating an object. From that object we are just creating some, we are moving forward. That is what is skk is to be very specific, that is the cursor or the on-screen pen, you can say. So it will move 50, that is 50 units to forward and then 50 units right. Let's run it out so you can see that's in square. So it will move 15 minutes forward, then right, then forward, then right. That's how it goes on in the range of 50. Okay, so it has been terminated. Now let's run the second code. This will draw an hexagon. Check it out if there's not an error. So most of the times what I feel is running turtle on script is much easier on rather than doing this. You might get a lot of issues while running it out, but let's check if it's working. Yeah, so I guess it's not working, but let's interrupt the cell and run it out. Yeah, so we have got that now. So whenever you get a problem something like this, make sure to go to kernel, interrupt it and rerun it. Everything will be working just fine. So that's an hexagon. Let's move more things. So we have something, if you want a light green screen, that is, it will change the bg color, and we have a blue color pen. So let's run it out. So that's one of the things that we can do. That is a green screen we are having currently in our screen. Yes, there is more to it. So yeah, that's the thing we can do. So it's creating more of an cubicle, something of structure. Let's close it. So enter the side numbers of the shape you want to draw. So let's write with something of 5. Let's check it out. So I guess it started on the same screen. Let's run 5. Yeah. So it's an automated process. It will just go on and go on until, some, while it's in some range, until the square is filled up, it will just go on with different colors. Okay. So that's again what you can do with turtle. Let's look into one more code. It will draw an helix. I don't know if you guys are here with helix, but helix is something quite a beautiful design we have. So it will continue for a limit. Okay. So it's gonna continue on. I just wanted to show you. So that's all you can do. This is again something a very beautiful uh, pattern that we have, more of a benzene, rainbow benzene. So yeah, that's quite interactive. You can see it will just continue, go round and round and round. And people actually do love it. So you can understand that how much powerful the Python packages and libraries are. So when I say that most of the stuff that you're searching for your coding experience, for your coding life, or your coding scenario in your office work or in your school work, you must be having a library or package for that. So always try to look for a package and then try to code by yourself if it is not present. I'm pretty sure that 90% of the times there will be package already available for it. So that's it for Turtle. Let's close it out. And here's a link to a documentation. Just click on it and you will get everything that you should be knowing if you want to know or learn more about it. So I've taken out the codes from here itself. So if you want to play around and want to create some more designs, you can always do it from the documentation. So that's it for Turtle. Let's get back to some other library in our next video.